Dear students, welcome to my channel. This channel is only for you. Today I am going to discuss chapter 1 of class 10, real numbers. So first we have to know what is real numbers. From 1 to infinity, these are called natural numbers. Natural numbers. From 0 to infinity, 0, 1, 2, 3, these are called whole numbers. These are called whole numbers. Numbers both positive and negative. 1, 0, 1, 2, 3, dot, dot. Minus 1, minus 2, minus 3. Here up to minus infinity. Here up to plus infinity. These are called integers. Integers. 0 is neither positive nor negative. Remember this one. So, from 1 to infinity, these are natural numbers. From minus 1 to minus infinity, these are negative integers, and all together is called simply integers. And the number in the form P by Q. P by Q form, say 2 by 3, 4 by 1, simply 4, minus 2, that means minus 2 by 1. These type of numbers where Q is not equal to 0 is called rational number. Rational numbers. And which are not rational, these are irrational numbers. Irrational numbers are root 3, root 2, root 5, pi. These are irrational, which are not rational. Irrational numbers. Already you have learned in class 9 also this one. So, natural number is also rational number. Whole number is also rational number. Integers also rational number. So, all numbers, natural, whole, integers, rational, irrational, all numbers together called real numbers. Real numbers. So, real numbers represented by capital R, and natural number also belongs to real number. Whole number also belongs to real number. Integers I or Z also belongs to real numbers. Irrational number Q naught, rational number Q, all belongs to real numbers. Remember this one. Now, in your chapter here, Euclid's division lemma. Euclid's division lemma. What is Euclid's division lemma? Let A and B, any two positive integers, then there exist two integers Q and R such that A equal to BQ plus R, 0 less than equal to R less than Q. This one is called Euclid's division lemma. And another is Euclid's division algorithm. What is Euclid's division algorithm? Here A and B two positive integers, and then there exist unique integers Q and R, and Q greater than 0. Remember this one. Q always positive. For Euclid's division algorithm, A equal to BQ plus R, 0 less than equal to R less than Q. Remember this one. Euclid's division algorithm. Euclid's division algorithm. For Euclid's division algorithm, here Q is greater than 0. Here Q is not only greater than equal to 0. Remember this one. Maybe 0 or greater than 0. So, this is the difference of Euclid's division lemma and Euclid's division algorithm. So, you have to find HCF by using division algorithm, Euclid's division algorithm in your exercise. Here some questions are given. I will discuss now. Now, exercise 1.1. Number 1, use division algorithm, find HCF of 135 and 225. So, Using division algorithm, you have to find the HCF. For HCF, you have to use long division method. So divide this by 135. 225 divide by 135. How many times? 1 times 135. You will get, if you subtract, you will get 0. 12 minus 3, 90. So 90 is less than this. So this one the remainder. Again you have to divide the previous divisor by this remainder. This is the rule. How many times? 1 times. Again subtract 45. Again this one less to this. So this one remainder. Again divide this remainder by this. Previous remainder is now divided this one 90. How many times? 2 times 90. So you will get remainder 0. Now write division algorithm. This one A 225 B cube 135 into 1 plus remainder R means 90. Similarly for this division A 135 B cube 90 into 1 plus R 45. Next 90 45 into 2 plus remainder is 0. So HCF is the, when you get the remainder 0, that divisor is called the HCF. Therefore HCF of 135 225 you will get 45. Remember this one. You can write the notes. Next number 2, 196 and 38220. So you have to divide this by this 38220 by 196. How many times? Here 382 1 times 196. Now subtract 12 minus 6 6 8. Here 7, so 17. 17 minus 9 you will get 8. Here 2 minus 1 1. 186. This one less this part. You have to divide whole. Now 2. Now divide 1862 by 196. How many times? Take this one 9 times. So 9 6 are 54. 5 carry. 9 9 are 81 and 5 86. 8 9 1 are 9 8 17 1 7 6 4. Now subtract 12 minus 4 8. Here 5 15 15 minus 6 9 and here 7 7 minus 7 equal to 0. Now write 0. So here 980 again divide by 196. So you will get 5 times 980. So remainder is 0. So you can write here therefore 38220 equal to A equal to BQ 196 into 195 plus R means 0. So in question number 1 I have told when remainder is 0 the divisor is the HCF. Therefore HCF of 196 38220 you will get 196. This is the HCF. Number 3, 867 and 225. So divide 867 by 225. Divide this one. How many times? Check. 2 times check. 5 2s are 10, 1 carry. 2 2s are 4 and 1 5. 2 2s are 4, 450. 2 2 5 3, 3 5s are 15, 1 carry. 3 2s are 6, 1 7. 3 2s are 6, 675. Check by 4. 2 2 5 into 4. 4 5s are 22 carry. 4 2s are 8 and 2 10. 1 carry. 4 2s are 8, 1 9. So this one more. How many times? 3 times. 6, 7, 5. Now subtract 7 minus 5 you will get 2. Here 16. 1 carry 16. 16 minus 7 you will get 9. Here 7, 7 minus 6, 1. So this is the remainder. since this one less this. So again divide 2 to 5 by 192. How many times? 1 times 192. 5 minus 2, 3. Here 12. 12 minus 9, you will get 3. So here 33. Now divide 192 by 33. 192. How many times? 33 into 6. 3 6 are 18, 1 carry. 3 6 are 18, 9, 198. So more, 5 times. 5 times. 5 3s are 15, 1 carry. 5 3s are 15, 1 16. Now subtract 12 minus 5, 7. Here 8, 8 minus 6, 2. Again divide 33 by 27. 1 times 27. 13 minus 27, you will get 6. Now this is the remainder. Divide by this. Divide 27 by 6. 27. 4 times. Now subtract 3. Again divide 6 by 3. You will get 2 times 6. You will get remainder is 0. Now write division algorithm. First here. Therefore 867 BQ 225 into 3 plus remainder is 192. Next, you have to write this one correctly. Then you will get the HCF. 225 BQ 192 plus 1 plus remainder is 33. Next, 192 33 into 5 plus 27 remainder here. Next, 33 27 into 1 plus remainder is 6. Next, 27 6 into 4 plus remainder is 3. Next, 6 3 into 2 plus remainder is 0. So therefore the HCF is 3. Therefore HCF 3. I have discussed 3 questions from question number 1 and some questions are given for HCF. So you can write at home. This is your homework and write the answer in the comment section. I think all of you understood my class. If you understood my class, don't forget to like, comment and share to others. And if you not subscribe my channel, please subscribe my channel for next class. Thank you for watching.